Nigerians. Anywhere you see them, they are the same people. In America or Antarctica, different faces, same passion. The best, they are Nigerians. Anytime you see us, we always stand out. The happy.
Nigeria is a great nation with rich history and a bright future. My love for Nigeria is endless. All I desire for this country is peace, joy, and happiness. Let me wish you all a special and a very happy 63rd Independence Day.
I really appreciate the presence of all staff and Nigerians in this remembrance of the birth of our beloved country, Nigeria. Thank you. Amen.
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria!
Happy Independence Day to everybody. We celebrate this day as a unique day in the life of all Nigerians. It is a day of freedom to the nation called Nigeria. And for that, we celebrate with every Nigerian. As Skyline University Nigeria, who is concerned about the community of Nigeria, we celebrate with every Nigerian and we wish every Nigerian happy Independence Day.
We are Nigerians. Anywhere you meet us, we never give up. We know the fear face. We know who we are. Different languages, same confidence. Don't test. We are Nigerians. We are.